Hi everyone, welcome back to another interview tip session. I'm Loga from ISM Univ. I'm doing good. Hope every one of you are doing good. Today, I would like to tell you something very important. That's our goal in the interview. What is our goal during the interview? At the interview, is our goal is to answer all the questions correctly? Is our goal is to say that we are technically strong? This apart, I think there is a very important goal that we need to achieve in the interview, during the interview, and that's impressing the interviewer. Whatever you do, whatever the correct answer that you're going to give, or you want to prove yourself to be very strong technically, ultimately, we need to impress the person who is sitting opposite to us, the interviewer. That's our goal. Let me share my experience, my first interview. Maybe today it may look silly, but okay, try to understand what happened in my interview. As a technical manager representing an organization based in Noida, uh, they were there in Bangalore for selecting some engineer. During the interview, there were many questions okay, put to me. I think I have decently answered. There was one question, okay, that the interviewer asked. I don't know, suddenly I gave a very innovative answer, which impressed the interviewer. The interviewer was asking a question to me: what is logic 0 and what is logic 1? And okay, probably you could have okay, expected okay, voltage levels or current levels to be answered by me. But I don't know how the answer came to me. Okay, I answered like this. I said, "You are 1, I'm 0." He stared at me and then looked at me and said, "What do you mean?" I said, "You have job, I do not have job." Do you know what is the next sentence that he said me? He said that, "Pack up and meet me in Noida." That's my first interview. Please try to understand, guys. Here, I did not prove myself to be technically strong. I did not attempt, okay, to answer all the questions correctly. No, uh, but I think I have impressed the interviewer. Yeah, that's your point. At the interview, we must impress the interviewer. How? I don't know how. Okay. It may be how you speak, it may be your attitude, it may be your body language, it could be your English style, it could be the way you answer, it could be how well you answer, how innovatively you answer. There are many ways to impress. I think we must impress the interviewer. Yeah, that's the tip today. I'm Loga from ISM Univ, signing off. We'll meet again. Until then, bye.